today we're gonna go see the Trans Am run on the dyno.
We're gonna eat ass though.
Here's Aiden. You've never seen him yet as a Genesis. Alright, on our way to see this Trans Am do some pulls.
Today we're just gonna do a long tube install, 3-inch wide pipe. I'm not gonna do my LS6 intake manifold today because a buddy of mine that was selling it to me went to California. To do the long tubes install, we're gonna tune it, run it on the dyno. Car made 311 horsepower and 330 pound-feet of torque on a Mustang dyno, stock.
Alright, we're out here. We got Taco Bell.
I eat ass.
And we're going back to the dyno thing and...
Wow, that was 200 miles an hour, holy shit. It's still weird that this thing doesn't have an aux cord in it. It does, but it's fucking broken. Because Hyundai makes cheap fucking parts. Add Hyundai. H-Y-U-N-D-G-A-Y. I thought you went to first there for a second. I was like, Jesus Christ. No, George does that. It's so fucking annoying. Like,
George, no one cares that you rev match. You fucking ricer.
He does it in first gear though. I don't get it.
He's like, boom, ba, boom, ba, boom, ba. I'm like, just fucking go,
brother.
It's funny as it's fucking focused on Kobe, not even me. What is this sorcery?
It's baggage sorcery. Do you know? Hey, motherfucker, that's air out!
No, it isn't.
The first one is to air. Shout out Rad Performance AZ for letting me borrow their shop and their tools. Tyler and Cody over here, these guys are great. Shout out Jason for tuning my car.
They just got the dyno in.
Yeah, couldn't have done the install without these guys. So. Me?
Yeah, we're just a couple young kids that just work on V6 Firebirds.
Yeah, you right. How did you? We're gonna fuck some cousins tonight. I'm down.
Alright, you know, George
that just means it's tight.
Work.
It doesn't go. Really? Stop interrupting. Interfering from me.
They're actually doing something. You know, just long tubes for life.
I'm surprised Aiden's actually doing something.
It's weird.
Papa Wheeler. Oh! Wow, I'm ugly as fuck. So we're out here, vloggity vlog. There's a CTS-V. It's really slow, only made.
Shout out Rad Performance for letting us hang out.
Let's hang out, eat ass.
It's a V.
And we got Cody here. He's starting a new trend where you run slicks up front on a rear-wheel drive car. So those are fresh. And then you just run tread over here. And he's crippled.
Oh, savage.
So I got new suspension. I went for the lifted look because obviously I'm in the dirt and I'm trying to rally my car. Those are fake. These are fake 3-piece bolts. It's not even, it's honestly ESR. Those are ESR wheels. Those are ESR. They're the Cerberus 2s. Pretty cheap, fake. This is also a fake wing. It's not even a BCL. NRG, if you're watching this, you made a really shitty steering wheel. This is like 3 months old. So that'll probably kill me one day when it explodes. These are fake weds. You got the ultimate special where you just have missing chrome. Finally back with the bird.
We couldn't finish it that day that we started it because the Y pipe that I got for free didn't really want to match up with the headers, and especially because it was just going to choke it down. So the guys over here at Rad Performance, big shout out to Cody and Tyler, they made me a custom 3-inch stainless Y pipe, and now the car's ready to go. It's all tuned, and yeah.
He's probably gonna die tonight
Yeah, I might.
with these bald ass tires.
I might.